Hey guys, this is Omar. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add and using mental math. For the first question, we have 89 plus 63. So what we want to do is split that into tiny groups. So 80 plus 9. And then split 63 into tiny groups. So 60 plus 3. Okay, so what we want to do is 80 plus 60, which will be 140. And then you want to do 9 plus 3, which will give you 12. And then that will be 140 plus 12. So that will equal 152. And 152 will be our final answer. For the second question, we have 126 plus 47. So we want to break those into tiny pieces. And that will be 100 plus 20 plus 6. And then break 47 into tiny pieces. So 40 plus 7. So 100 plus 40 will be 140. And then plus 20. And then 6 plus 7, that'll be 13. So plus 13. So 140 plus 13. So 140 plus 20 will be 160. Plus 13 will be 173. And that'll be our final answer. For the third question, we have 272 plus 138. So we want to break 272 into tiny pieces. Oh, little mistake. Plus 70 plus 2. And then we want to break 138 into pieces. So that'll be 100 and then 30 plus 8. So 200 plus 100 will be 300. And 70 plus 30 will be 100. And 2 plus 8 will be 10. So this will equal 410. And that'll be our final answer. So now let's move on to subtracting. So for the first question, we have 78 minus 53. So what we want to do is break that into groups. So 70 plus 8. And then, since we're minusing or subtracting, we want to do minus 50 minus 3. So 70 minus 50 will be 20. And then 8 minus 3 will be 5. So our final answer will be 25. For the second question, we have 121 minus 34. So 100 plus 20 plus 1. And then since we're subtracting, we want to do minus. And then 30 minus 4. Okay, so what we want to do is 100 minus 30, which will be 70. And then plus 20. And then 1 minus 4 will equal negative 3. So negative 3. So 70 plus 20 will be 90, and then minus 3 will be 87. For For the third question, we have 192 minus 135. So what we want to do is 100 plus 90 plus 2. And then since we're subtracting or minusing, we want to put a minus or subtracting sign. And that'll be 100 minus 30 minus 5. So 100 minus 100 will equal 0. And 90 minus 30 will be 60. A positive 60. And then two minus 5 will be -3. So our final answer will be 57. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share with family and friends. And I'll see you on my next video. Peace out.